Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Monica and I'm an independent sales ambassador. I still want to say representative, ambassador with Avon. And today I thought we'd go over my campaign 21 purchases, and I need to get to this pretty darn quick because campaign 22 starts tomorrow and I'm a little behind because I took a trip to Montana to visit my mom and check on her and all that good stuff. And I'm just behind. And I'm so behind that I would show you my campaign 21 brochure, but like I lost it. I have no idea where it is. So that's okay. Like I said, the campaign's almost over. So we're just gonna move on with my purchases. So let's put on some glasses, take a look at my notes, and let's get chatting. So the first item that I purchased is the Avon WorksArthritis Achy Foot and Muscle Cream, which is this right here. In my 50 plus going on 60 years, I'm starting to develop a bunion on my left foot, and sometimes that causes my big toe to hurt. And I was hoping that this would kind of give me a little bit of pain relief. And so this has chondroitin, and that is supposed to reduce pain and increase joint mobility. So I hope that will help. It's supposed to help the connectivity, the tissues in your joints. So I hope that kind of helps. And it also has glucosamine, which is supposed to be a little bit of a pain reliever. So I will try that out. My foot doesn't hurt all the time, but I can see that it's going to be a problem in the future. So I thought I would start. I hope I'm not going to need foot surgery. I don't really want surgery, but maybe I can, work on it and get some longevity out of that before I have to have foot surgery in the future. But anyways, so that's one item that I purchased. The next item that I purchased was the Farm RX Super Greens Refreshing Gel Cleanser Refill, which is this guy right here. And I really like this cleanser, and I really like that I can refill the glass bottle. I think that is just a really great way to eliminate packaging. So this fills like my jar, like I think twice, almost 2.5. It's a lot. So this is a great product to have, and I don't have a place to put it. Oops, sit right there. Yeah, these are great, and I like the cleanser, so it's perfect for me. So I got one of those. Next up is kind of a new product that Avon came out with. It's the Moments Day Cream Body Wash. There is also a fragrance, but I wanted to start with the body wash first to see if I like it before I commit to the fragrance. And spoiler alert, I'll be committing to the fragrance because this is delicious. This is so yummy. This has sparkling grapefruit, opulent jasmine, and a touch of amber. So it's in the amber floral category. It's beautiful. So I'm probably going to pick up the fragrance. Yes, I must have it. I'm getting quite a collection of Avon fragrances. I've mentioned before that when I joined Avon, I really never thought, or I didn't even know that their fragrances are so lovely. They were just beautiful, and I'm really enjoying buying them. All right, what is up next? We have fashion. We love fashion. So available in campaign 22 is the sueded shoulder top, which is this right here. And that's this top right here. This part is like a soft, it's not real suede, but it's like a suede-like material. And it has a little side split in the side, right there. And this top, I really like it for athleisure wear. I think that's how I'm going to style it, but it's really quite long and it covers my rear end, so that's why I think it's going to look really super cute with leggings. So if I put it to my shoulders, it's really, let me back up. It's really long. You can see that that's probably going to cover my rear end. And I guess what's a little deceiving, grab my chair here. What's a little deceiving in the photograph, this will be the next campaign coming up, campaign 22, and this top is in there, in that brochure, is that this gal, she probably has a really long torso, so it looks like it hips just above her hips. But if you're like me and I'm 5'4" and I have a short torso, it is definitely going to be a long top and is definitely going to cover your rear end. So I don't mind that at all, but I mean, this is a tad deceiving about the length, because you can tell that she's got a really long torso. And yeah, it's just something to think about. Maybe you were curious about that top. So there you go. What else did I get? The other fashion item that I got was the Corduroy button front blouse. This will be in campaign 23, and that is this right here. Isn't this pretty? I just really love the lilac. I thought it was so pretty. But again, this side, I got this in a medium. This one I got in a medium. And I also got this one in a medium. And this performs much like a shacket. It's very long. And yeah, so I think that's how I'm gonna wear it. It says it's a blouse, but like on me, it's really, really long. Let me see, can I put it on? Let me see, oh, I can put it on. You can see how long it is. It will not go with this top. But let's see, I really loved it. And I thought I would pick it up. So you can see it's just really long, you know. So it's gonna be much like a coat for me personally than a blouse. So, which is fine. I don't mind that at all. So let me grab my chair. So it's something to sit down on. But I did really like it, and it's good. It's kind of pretty heavy. So I think this is California weather. So for California weather, I think I will be okay wearing this like a jacket. But yeah, I did really like it. I thought it was really nice. It's quite well done, and I was pretty happy with it. Hold on, I'm trying to button it so I can get it back to the way it was. It's pretty. I thought it was super pretty. So anyways, I really like that. So I did get that. And what else did I get? This is a good little item if you have been thinking about trying the Anew Power Serum. They have the limited edition, which I picked up, Power Serum. And this, when you shop with a rep, was only $9.99. So if you buy it this is sort of clearance because it's limited edition. If you buy the regular one, that's not limited edition packaging, it's $28.99. So seek this out. This is, the limited edition is only $9.99. Good deal. So I grabbed that because I love my Power Serum. All right, now on to something a little more fun. Well, it's all fun. As a rep exclusive, when you're an Avon representative or ambassador, we got offered to buy a mystery bundle. So you could buy a $20 mystery bundle, a $40 mystery bundle, or a $60 mystery bundle, and I chose to buy the $40 one. So this is what I got. So, not that. Okay, so I ended up in the $40 bundle, and you don't know what you're gonna get. It's all a mystery, right? So I did get the Bali perfume. So that's the one in the pink container. I'm gonna leave it sealed because I may end up giving this away. I don't know. We'll see. I also got a pink Himalayan sea salt bar soap. That's this I can open, so I'm probably gonna play with this one. Little bar soap. Cute, cute, cute. So I got that, and then I got a silicone glove. I love this stuff. This has been instrumental in healing my hands from all the cleaning I had to do when I was in Montana. Oh boy. Never mind. We're just not gonna discuss it. All right, what else did I get? I got the Knox Anew Clinical Revitalizing and Resurfacing fluid. This is alpha hydroxy acid. So we're gonna got some of that. Let's see what this looks like. I've never tried this, so I look forward to trying that. That looks like a lot of fun. Little box there. Also got the Skin So Soft Supreme Nourishment Milky Lotion. I've never tried this one, but I've tried the body wash, which is quite nice. So got that. Also got a face shop. This is a moisturizer. This is their Rice Water Bright Moisturizer. So I got that. Also got, this is the Anew eye, it's kind of like an eye stick. It's really good. I'm using mine currently, and I actually love it because it's just a quick, you know, little swipe under the eyes. So it comes in like a stick like this, and you just rub that under your eyes. It's super duper quick, just get it done. So I like that, got that. Got a little eyebrow gel. Cute, cute, cute. Like these little guys. Little eyebrow gel. Got one of those. Got a brown liner, eyeliner. Got one of those. And got one of these makeup wipes, which I don't love these, but it did come with the package. So that's the only thing I didn't really like, is these don't work for me. I don't know. I don't know why everybody says they work. I don't like them. So I'm just gonna save that, and it'll probably be in, you know, I'll probably need to do a gift for my women's group towards Christmas. So we'll save that for that. But yeah, that was all I got for campaign 21. Campaign 22 starts tomorrow, which is this right here. And of course I have some few things marked. I don't know, what was I gonna get? I'm not sure. I think, oh, I was looking at these eye patches, little under your eyes. Those look really fun to play with. And Lyrd, L-Y-R-D, has a new fragrance. Where is it? It is the Vanilla Rose, and they have a little scent circle, which is right here. And I'm gonna pass on this one. It smells pretty, but it didn't grab me. It wasn't one of those like, you gotta buy this. Like, this is, you gotta buy it. Now this one was the one that they had a scent circle, and I was like, oh my God, I got to have this. And I do have this, and I'm actually wearing it today. I love it. It's beautiful, beautiful fragrance. This is the Lyrd Coastal Lotus. Oh, it's gorgeous. It's a beautiful fragrance. What else am I looking at? I don't know. Oh, the Senses Cozy Vanilla Coconut Shower Gel. I don't have the shower gel. I must have that. I must get that. That's another delicious product that I absolutely have to have. And what else? Oh, as a side note, while I was in Montana, I did send my mom this outfit, and it is cute. Oh my God, it's so cute. I absolutely love it. And she loved it too, because it's super comfortable. And when she was wearing it, I mean, she just looked like she was wearing an outfit. She didn't have to like stay in her PJs all day. You know, she's just not very mobile. And so yeah, this was super cute, and it was super soft. I loved it. I thought it was really, really nice. So I'm glad I got her that. And what else? Oh, just this top. But just know that this is going to be pretty darn long, and the model is pretty darn tall. So just be aware of that. And then yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's all I have today. All right. Stay tuned for some other videos that I got rolling around in my mind, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good day. Bye.